Hi all, I wanted to send a video and not just an announcement, just so you know that I'm here. I'm a live person and it's hard to connect online. And I think it's good actually for students to connect with each other, so maybe we'll try to work on that this semester. I enjoyed reading your discussion questions, thanks for that. We're going to have a good class, so let's be positive. Most people are afraid of statistics or have had trouble with math in the past. You're going to do great. All right, just take things as they come. Watch all the videos. One little note, like to help me solve this, if you're going straight to the problems and doing like, show me an example, you will for sure go down the wrong path with those. Some of them are good. Some of them are not good. You must watch the videos. You watch all of them in 1 hour, right? If you don't watch the video, it's like skipping class. So anyway, I just wanted to throw that out there. The second thing I wanted to talk about is the quiz. You did great on the quiz. There's one thing I want to go over here. Let's see here. All right, so levels of measurement, all right? This division here has 4 parts, and as you go down, there's deeper levels. You can do more calculations with an interval than you can with ordinal. As you go down, you can do more calculations. The one I want to talk about is nominal. Nominal is qualitative data, and it's like a label, okay? So even though it might be a number, like zip code, those are numbers, but you can't do anything with those. Those are just to signify a location, like jersey numbers. You know, Messi is a soccer player. He's famous. He plays in Miami. His number is 10. They call it foul on number 10. That's a label to mean him. It doesn't mean there's 10 anything. It doesn't have anything to do with the quantity, just like your social security number, telephone number, credit card number. Those are all labels, and those are all nominal. Like in the quiz, it said print numbers. Like there's 1,500 prints, and each one has a number with it. What does that? That's a label, all right? If you have a VIN number on your car, that's a label, all right? So that's nominative, and that comes up a lot. So just remember that on your quizzes and tests and projects that come up. Ordinal just means like there's order to it, like strongly disagree, neutral, agree, strongly agree. That's typical ordinal data. Interval data is temperature and years. You see that? That's interval data. There's a lot more to it. Watch the videos. You can subtract interval data, but you can't multiply it or divide. A ratio is the typical number. Most things, most numbers, measurements are ratio. Not all of them, but most of them have inherent zeros, and you can subtract, multiply, divide, all of those operations on ratio data. So I wanted to go over that, mainly because it's easy and I want you to get points for that. Something that you should be able to master and get points for. I want you to do that and not lose points, all right? What else? The second quiz, look over your vocabulary. Make sure you know the vocabulary that's given in the first chapter, all right? And that'll help you on the quiz. And then the test, I would say, review especially the sampling distribution or this sampling techniques. Make sure you understand those well. Look over your homework problems before you do the test. Make sure you know how to do each one, and you're going to do great. So anyway, let's see how this goes. That's what you have in front of you this week, and we'll touch base on the other side and go to Chapter 2. Chapter 2 is really kind of the heart of the class. So I'll touch base after your test, and you're going to knock this out of the park.